Explosives and dangerous goods inspectors carry out the examination of environments and structures in which explosives and hazardous goods are stored and transported. Dangerous goods inspectors monitor the safety and compliance of all individuals and companies involved in the storage and movement of explosives and dangerous goods. This includes not only aircraft and road operators transporting such goods, but the handling agents, freight forwarders and manufacturers as well. These inspectors work to protect people and the environment by making sure that the risks involved are minimized. This is not an entry-level occupation. While some aspects of this work are done through the South African Police Service, in industry a recognised qualification in chemical engineering is the usual starting point. These inspectors work their way up to this position, building their expertise in the area of explosives and dangerous goods in which they specialise. They work in a variety of industries that make chemicals. Some work in fields such as mining and petroleum, and others work in agriculture and pollution control. As well as having the right experience, it's vital that these inspectors have a communication style that is firm and tactful yet diplomatic to build relationships and foster partnerships with organisations that they advise and inspect. They need to be able to engage and influence others at all levels. The tasks undertaken by these inspectors vary considerably from job to job and depend on the employer as well as the project under consideration. They visit businesses and industrial premises to inspect processes and procedures and ensure safety and compliance. They write detailed reports on results of these inspections and investigations. They take photographs and samples when required. They make best practice recommendations and create action plans to tackle non-compliance. Dangerous goods inspectors investigate accidents and complaints to determine if there's been a breach of safety law. They provide specialist advice and information on safety to the relevant businesses and organisations and advise on changes required. The inspectors negotiate with managers and operators to try and eliminate possible conflicts between safety considerations and production and profit. With their knowledge and expertise, these inspectors help to develop methods to predict potential hazards drawn from experience, available historical data, as well as from other information sources. These inspectors keep up to date with new legislation and safety standards. They attend workshops and conferences and stay informed about developments within their particular area of specialisation. Some provide training and support to employers and trainee employees. These inspectors work on site as well as in office-based environments. They collaborate with environmental scientists, explosives and other hazardous material specialists, and other engineers, as well as with experts in law and business to address issues of safety and compliance. The Engineering Council of South Africa, or ECSA for short, is the statutory body that regulates the engineering professions in this country. A recognised qualification in chemical engineering is usually required to enter this occupation. Further specialisation in a field of explosives and dangerous goods inspection is then usually required. Extensive knowledge on the storage and transport of hazardous goods, including experience in logistics, cargo and safety management systems, may also be an advantage. There are options for self-employment in this profession. After gaining significant work experience, some of these inspectors work as consultants or start a specialist company.